welcome back. Y'all with Lonnie and
AJ.
Ooh. Hi, welcome back. Y'all with Lonnie and
AJ.
and AJ. Never say AJ. Okay, welcome back here with Lonnie and
AJ.
Okay. Today we have baking soda and what's that? Food coloring. Today we are going to make a rainbow fizz. So we are preparing for a volcano that he will be doing on Wednesday or Saturday, depending on how AJ does when I quiz him, on our one-on-one time. Please be sure to follow our social media, our Twitter account, our Instagram, and our Facebook. You can find us at Lonnie Love AJ together.
Mommy,
Yes.
why are you going to get a volcano? Why are you going to do that?
So you can see how the volcano eats. Are you ready to do your science? Okay. So AJ's gonna be putting the baking soda, and he's just gonna be putting like 1 or 2 drops in the baking soda, and then we have the vinegar. So AJ will be making 3 lines of baking soda, and we also have some dish soap. So we're gonna be experimenting. What color is that?
Red.
Red. You're gonna use a couple drops, okay?
Okay. I'm going to use 3 drops.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, you want to color your baking soda first. So you're going to take each color and you're going to color it.
Turn that way.
Yes, keep mixing. Okay, so you're gonna mix that.
I can use the top anything. I'm going to use that time. 1, 2, 3. All 3 drops. Yellow. Next.
Okay, do you want to move on to the next color?
Yes. Uh-oh. We have red, and green.
Mm-hmm.
And where's orange? That is orange. That means.
Okay, so I'm gonna be putting some dish soap here. Put some in there. And this is Dawn. I don't know if it makes a big difference. So we're just gonna put a little bit. And AJ, you ready? Make it eat more and green. You gotta mix it what, AJ? Mix it. Oh. Okay.
I'm going to the next color.
You wanna go to the next color?
Yes.
Okay.
That's the favorite color we want.
That's your favorite color?
Yes.
Baby killer.
Blue.
Bleh. Good job. Okay.
This is the color blue. So I'm gonna mix it up. Oops.
It's okay, AJ. Go ahead. Okay, so I'm gonna help AJ just mix it a little bit more. So when he actually does put the vinegar on there. Okay, now I'm just going to scoop the colors together so AJ can see it more predominantly. Yeah, there you go. Okay, oh, you just mixed it. You mixed it too much, okay?
Okay.
Wait, stop. Ooh.
Mommy, why we not make a volcano?
Well, this is a step towards the volcano. This is one of the steps. Okay, so we are gonna be using
A farming.
okay. AJ, keep it.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
You want more baking soda?
Yes.
You like it? Say cheese.
Please.
Wow. Look how it fizz with the soap in there.
That is out. That was serious.
You hear the sound?
Yeah.
Oh, you're missing one more spot. Oh, you ready, AJ? You
Yeah.
ready to tackle that last spot?
Yes.
Go ahead. Wow.
Oh my god, butterflies. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
So wait until you do your volcano. You will love it, AJ. Okay, thank you for watching.
Bye. Wow. That was fun, Mommy.
I can eat more.